How to log into a Cell credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Cell credit card login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, Cell credit card login or apply. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your Cell account. So go ahead and type in your user ID, then type in the password. If you want to save your user ID, check in for this option, Remember My User ID. In the case you have forgotten the password or user ID, you can click on these options to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Sign On, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. And with that, you will get access to your credit card. In the case you haven't registered for your card yet, click on this option and do that. So this way you can easily log into Cell credit card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.